Hello everyone. Thought I would go ahead and take another video to help with the ins and outs of this particular activity with angle relationships and this cut and paste. Pretty much what happens is I already did the cutting and I just need you to do the pasting. So if you read the instructions here, you're solving the problem on the right side and the bottom of square H. So this is square H, and if you can see there's an H up top, the top left corner of that particular square. And then you're finding that there's two problems here. Sorry, there's one on the bottom. It says find the measure. It says something. I'll get there in a second. There's a problem on the bottom, and there's a problem on the right of each square. And then these are your answered choices over here, and each one has its own letter. Not that that really matters, other than the fact that we're starting with H. So you're going to be looking at the left and the top to see where your answers might be. Now I know it's all very small font right now, so if you click on H there, we can make it bigger, and then if you need to move it around you can to actually see what the problem is actually saying. It should be pretty good quality when you do the zooming in. I just wanted to get it all on one page for you, and to quickly backspace undo that enlarging that I did. Remember, I just did Control Z to undo that, or obviously you can use the undo function there. And so in a nutshell, what you're doing is you're going to find the answer, like this one I think on the right hand side, sorry, it said solve for X. So when you solve for X there, you're going to look for the answers on the boxes here. So let's say that this is the answer box. Like let's say that I believe that the answer is there. What does that say? 5. Okay, so I'm saying that the answer is 5 for the value of X. So I'm going to drag box D and put that one there, and then I would work on, I guess I should make that bigger again. I would work on finding the measure of angle X in D's problem, and then I would find the answer here. Let's say that I happens to be the answer, then I would put I there. To find the next row, I would go back here to H, and I would answer the bottom, find the measure of angle Y, and I would look at the top angle measures here in my answer choices, and whichever one I feel has the answer choice, I'm going to drag there. So your complete answer should be the 12 problems inside this grid here. I just put all of your answer choices off to the side so that you can see them and get them where you need them to be. I did group this just so that you could see that I want H to start here so that everyone's starting with the same thing. You can ungroup them, but I didn't have to ungroup them in order to make that larger for me to see it. So just something to consider. There is work to do with these problems. So just because it's all online, you should be doing your work on a piece of scratch paper. Obviously, I'm not seeing that because I'm assuming that this is enough work for you right now, just trying to drag and cut and paste and everything. So please make sure that you are working on this assignment, practicing those relationships with the angle measures, congruency, linear pairs, vertical, whatever it is you need to do to find the value of X or a measure of an angle or whatever. And of course, if you have questions, let me know. Thanks.